Alright, part 4, Ratchet and Clank 2 Distraction Glitches, and, I'm on Kerwin, and this is glitch by Naruto Shippuden 1 to 9 to get, to get up on that high building. It's very hard glitch, and I have not did this glitch yet, because I couldn't just do it, so I don't know why it doesn't work, so hopefully it will work now. I have studied his video, so let's try it. It's also quite hard to do. So onto this building. Now he said like razor claw to that building and just climb it up. But for some reason, when I was climbing, I always died, so let's hope I will not die. And let's hope I will not run off razor claw ammo. Let's hope. If not, well, it's gonna be one sad day for me. Okay, I am not talking because I don't know about what should I talk. It's just one very high building, probably the highest point of Kerwan. Probably, not for sure. This part is quite stupid. Because you can grab on that brown thing and the whole thing is ruined. So I've got 10 ammo left. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. No! I was near the top! Damn. Oh, we can stand here. Oh crap. Okay, wait. This is supposed to happen. You're going to stand on this thing and see that globe just as he showed in the video. And yeah, that actually is everything from this video. I've got 4 red claw ammo left, so there's no way to go really from here. You can't even go onto that globe. But still, it's very nice view, nice glitch. Very cool being here. So, okay, that's it. There's nothing to do. Maybe someone could find a way to get on that bridge. It would be really awesome. Let's just have fun. Oh, it's solid. You can explore anywhere. Kerwan is the best planet ever, for sure. You may even go here. Yeah. Okay, next glitch is found by me and actually is on the beginning of the planet. Okay, whatever, so. Okay, so you're gonna, like, raise a claw up this gate. What the heck? Okay. Okay, now, up to this building. This part is not found by me, it's found by someone else. You're just gonna get on the pyramid. Get on top of it. Get in there. This part is found by Pro Q. This part to climb up. And you're gonna be out of your red ammo, so it's very bad glitch kind of. But it's worth it, I think. So just climb up to the top of this building. Okay. If you did it right, you should have like 20 race claw ammo left. Or 25, I don't remember. 25, yeah. Okay, so now go to the right and see, hey, see that grind rail? It's over there. And you can actually stand on it, but only in one specific spot, nowhere else. The whole rail is unsolid, only one place of it it's solid, and if you line up this right, you can see that and behind it it's a little place it's solid, and it's kind of hard to catch on, so I probably will not do it on my first try anyway. I found this glitch, by the way. So go on here, and this is gonna be quite hard. So just climb this bank and then try to line it right. I will not do it in my first try, of course not. It's very hard. No, probably skip. So let's try. I did it on my first try. Oh crap, I fell off. But you get the point. Let's see if I can do it again. It's very hard to catch on it again. But wow, I did it actually. I don't know why I fell off. Let's try this again. Okay. Okay. But you actually get the point. Nowhere else, it's all only there. So that's it. Next, okay, I'm on Fast Tune, and this glitch is discovered by SmashTom94 or Newtom94. It's the same person. And actually, this glitch shows how to get to Clank area as Ratchet, and this glitch has already been discovered by I don't know who, but oh well, he found a new way, so I'm going to show you. It's actually quite cool. So yeah, enjoy this. Crap. So I'm gonna try for the first time again. There. So kill these, and you're gonna like use your race claws and climb around until you actually will reach it. Crap, I hope I'll not fall. Okay, I'm in. See, I'm in Clank area. Now I'm in. I don't need to stop the time. So yeah, it's very awesome. You can also go on top of this building. I found a glitch to get on top of this building as Clank, and it's not really that hard. I probably will show it one day. I don't know. These things work as Ratchet also. Okay, so last glitch found by Malnofski, and it is quite a hard glitch to do for me because I suck at it totally. And it is how to ride a ship, a plane, or whatever you call it. So you're going to go over here. Now find a nice ship. Not this one. Oh, stupid camera. Like this one, and time it right, and okay, I'm up here, and I hope I am gonna try to get on it from here. So we gotta find one. This glitch is kind of hard for me. So yeah. No. Come on. I think that one's gonna be good. I hope. So alright, so you can walk on it to actually keep up with it, and then if you'll do it right, unlike me, it'll take you somewhere. It'll take you inside of those rocks. What? Oh well, I failed. So that was it from this video special. The next part and the last part is gonna be Ratchet and Clank, a cracking time, glitches, all found by me. So I hope you will like it, and thanks guys, and see you later.